So, warte, zeige ich der Mama. Hier ist die Markierung, wo mein Daumennagel ist, ja? You see it? So, hier ist die Markierung. Sorry.
What do you think you are doing? Oh God. Oh God.
Richtig oder richtig?
Na, du hast das Coolste gemacht jetzt.
Nee, warte.
Hey guys, so I want Hubby to trim my hair today. I don't know whether he will do as I want, but it's not something that it's not a big job. I have a bald here. I don't know the exact place, but I just know I have a place where every time I touch, I feel it is shorter than the other. I normally wanted to have some pixie haircut, but I have nobody to do that for me. And Hubby doesn't know much about, natural hair, as their hair looks different. So, because I have bald in this place, I want the side and behind to be the same size. And here I'll just trim a little bit. Let me show it to you guys. Yeah, I always feel something is short over here. That's it here. I always feel it is shorter than the rest of the hair, and when you see that the front size and this, I don't know if you even see it well. Yeah, the front is like, let's see, yeah, it's short. When you see the length of the side, the front and behind, it is, they are different from the length here. How did that happen? I can't really tell. Meanwhile, the one close to that, if you don't pay attention, you wouldn't know I have. Let's comb it and see. It's short. Meanwhile, yeah. When I put my head on the side, I think you can see better, right? There is definitely something wrong with my hair. I think it's... And guys, I dye my gray hair, and this is how it looks like. I did not even realize that my edges are changing. Yeah, if you have been following me for a while, you will realize that my first videos were different from now, right? If you check, I didn't even realize.
Was ist deine?
You see this place?
Ja.
Touch it for yourself.
Okay.
And touch behind here. You see the length? The length.
Die Länge.
Genau. This is shorter than this.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I want this to have the same length as this.
Moment. Okay. Okay, madam.
Oh God. What are you doing, Shaz? Send my bed to me, say. Shaz, what are you doing? I am just scared. Go ahead. Let's see.
Du willst die doch alle gleich haben.
Ja.
Naja. Und hier, das ist jetzt die Länge. Warte.
Oh Gott. You want this comb?
Nee, oder doch? Hier, guck. Hier habe ich jetzt die Länge. Ja, und so, passt doch.
Oh Gott. Do you want this comb?
Ist das besser?
Ich denke ja. Hi. Ewo. Also warte mir.
Du hast dir den Friseur ausgesucht. Ich hab dir ja
Do I
gesagt.
have choice? Warte.
Ich hab dir ja gesagt, ich habe keine Ahnung. Naja, kommt doch fast hin. Wir sind doch fast in der Richtung.
Bist du sicher?
Du willst das ja alles gleich haben, ne?
Mhm.
So, also, und hier unten ist jetzt noch kürzer wie hier oben. Hier oben ist es noch länger.
Echt?
Kannst du selber gucken. Wie hier.
The side too.
So, warte mal. Hier, zack. So. So, wo ist die Markierung? Hier. Achtung. Ja?
Oh Gott. Hi. Ewo. Just nicht so viel. Hi. Immer zu mir.
Guck, hier sind noch 3 Zentimeter oder 2, die ich wegschneiden kann. Ja?
Okay.
Wenn wir hier oben nehmen, selbst hier habe ich noch nicht geschnitten, Mama. Hier ist es bis hierhin. Ja? So, wollen wir wieder hier den Messstab nehmen, Mama?
I can't make body anymore. Hey! Ewo. I can't make body anymore.
Du hast das doch so gewollt. So, warte, wo ist meine Markierung? Du mal den Stick.
Where is the magic? Family is my.
Hier.
You don't just cut my fingers, bitte.
So, und dann weißt du. So. Hier.
Hey! Yeah.
Komm. Markierung her. Stick. Hier oder hier?
Ja, nee,
Hier?
nee,
Hier?
ja. Mama! Hey!
Was soll ich machen, Schatz?
Mama, sag mal, ich kam für dich.
Wie eine Frau, die Ilse.
You see those places?
Guck mal in den Spiegel und sag mehr, weniger. Man bräuchte so einen Staubsauger. Da saugt man die Haare an und dann alles gleichmäßig abgeschnitten, oder? Was sagst du dazu, Mama? Warte mal, hier, das guckt noch so raus.
How do you have those kind of ideas? You want to over my hair or what?
Das gibt's. Das gibt's schon. Das hat schon mal einer erfunden.
I don't know, it's like one side is longer than the other.
Und welche ist es?
I don't know. I just
So, aha.
feel like it's like this side is shorter than this. Yeah. Take a little bit from this again.
Hier?
Mhm.
Mehr oder?
Let my viewers check behind. They will tell me under the comment section whether you succeeded with behind or I look like a fowl. Oh my goodness. So lovely. We are done. I wouldn't do better than that. I think, yeah, it is okay. Yeah, my hair got a little bit more volume, which I like. Yeah. Or what do you think? Let me know under the comment section. What do you think about that? I wanted it like short here and longer here, but it would have confused him if I was to give him this instruction, right? So it was better to make it all the same length, in which I think is okay. So we will try to see in my next video what style we can achieve with this. For today, it was nice sharing it with you. Let me know under the comment section how does it look. Otherwise, I love you all as usual until we meet in my next video.